Today I'm going to show you how to use an LED with Arduino. Hey, welcome to NovelTech 3D. In this video, I will show you how to wire and code an LED with an Arduino. This is a very simple and easy task to learn. This video is meant for absolute beginners to Arduino, but first, make sure to click the notifications bell so you never miss a video. Wiring and coding an LED is one of the most simple things you can do with an Arduino. But first, what is an Arduino? An Arduino is basically a small computer that can give instructions to an LED or some other component. You can tell the board what to do from a program called Arduino. In the program, you can code and upload instructions to the board. The board that I'm using is the Arduino Uno, but just about any Arduino board should work fine. For this project, I'm going to use a breadboard, which helps with temporary circuits. Breadboards are connected with a conductive material on each row, so if I plug the wire into A, the electricity will also go to E. First off, I'm going to wire the LED to the board. To do this, you need to start by plugging in the red jumper wire into digital pin 3, or D3. Then plug the other end in one of the rows on the breadboard. After that, you can put the longest end of the LED in the same row as D3. The short side of the LED can go into any other row. Next, plug a 100 ohm resistor into the negative side of an LED. The other end of the resistor can go into any row of the breadboard. Last, plug a black jumper wire in with the resistor. That can go to ground or GND in the Arduino board. Now that I have the wiring done, it is time to code. I have the code already written down, but I will explain it step by step. The code will start with something called the void setup. This is the beginning of the code that runs once. After the void setup is the void loop. This is the code that runs continuously when the board has power. In the void setup, you'll want to declare the LED, in this case the positive end that is plugged into D3 on the board. So the code has to say 3 output. In the loop section, I wrote digital write 3 high because it is saying to turn on pin 3, or in this case, the LED. When the code says high, this means that the LED will turn on. I will verify and debug the code first, then I will upload by clicking this button. I just uploaded the code, and you can see that when I give the board power, the LED will turn on. But when I take away the power, the LED turns off. Now I can add something else to it. For example, I can make it turn on and off continuously. The code is almost the exact same, except in the void loop I added delay 1000, digital write 3 low, and delay 1000 again. With the delays, I am just telling it to wait 1000 milliseconds. And with the digital write, I am saying pin 3 is low, which means it will turn off. As you can see, when I add power to the Arduino, the light will turn on for a second and turn off for a second. This will happen forever, until I turn off the power. This is just a small amount of things that you can do with an Arduino, and you can make some pretty awesome stuff, just like the safe I made a few months ago. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click the notifications bell so you never miss a video. Tell me in the comment section below if you have any project ideas for me in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. You can also check out my website, maniacalmetalart.com, in the description below. Have a great day, and see you next time on NovelTech 3D.